We will see session number 9. Knowledge toolbars are there. Formula, see creating a parameter and creating a formula. Check analysis toolbox. See using checks, URL and comment. See associating URLs and comment with relations subtoolbars are there. And knowledge inspector, log subtoolbars, unlog subtoolbars, equivalent dimensions. Applying a material. These tasks explain how to apply a predefined materials as well as to interactive repositions the mapped material. Keep in mind that applying materials onto elements affect the physical and mechanical properties such as the density of these elements. A material can be applied to a part body, surface, body, or geometrical set. In bracket, in a .cat part document, you can apply a product in a .cat product also documents also, and in its interface of a dot model, dot CGR, dot cat part, in a dot cat product also, materials applied to. CAD parts and CAD products and CGR can be saved in ENOVIA VPM. For detailed information on ENOVIA VPM, refers to the ENOVIA VPM User's Guide on the ENOVIA VPM documentation CD-ROM. CAD products can be saved in a 3D XML format. You can now import materials contained in a 3D XML files. Product knowledge templates are there. The encapsulation of the features, part, and assembly specification of any level of complexity within the product knowledge templates allows the capture of the design's methodology defined interactively in Catia, as well as the reuse across the extended enterprise. Templates can be extracted from existing features, parts, and assembly designs or created specially. They can contain not only geometry but also any associated parameters or relations, including embedded intelligence of a design's rules, design tables, and checks, providing the ability to encapsulate the specification of a sophisticated adaptive features. Next one is the data exchange in Catia. P5 means version 5 is an open system capable of interpreting with the data in all of the mostly used data format standards in CAD CAM CAE industry. For importing and exporting external files, there are formats are there, extensions are there. STEP, IGES, DXF, DWG, CGM, STL, VRML, and STRIM oblique STYLER. These formats are used to transfer geometric data, surfaces, and wireframes between a different CAD CAM systems in the following situations. Concurrent engineering with using several CAD CAM systems. Second one is the migration of a database when changing systems, examples for new V5 customers. Third one is the exchanges of the geometric data with the clients or suppliers. Let's see in Katia. Here you can see here in the downward apply material. Just click on there. You can see here construction, fabric, metal, outdoor paintings, shape views, stone, wood, all are present here. We will apply this one, grass, and select this one, apply material, and click OK. You can see in the specification tree there is a grass is activated, and go in this one view as a shading with the materials. You can see there is a grass. This is called as a applying a material. Now again select this one. This session is completed. Thank you.